Hi and welcome to Kingdom Presentations. My name is Paul Ellis and we pride ourselves here on providing you with the tools and the techniques to enable you to be able to manage and store, secure your cryptocurrencies. So when it comes to TRONCASE, we want to make it available to you to be able to set up your Klever Wallet on your mobile phone device. So this is a video that is dedicated to that very purpose. So just follow through with the video now and we'll be able to help onboard this type of application to your actual phone. Installing your Klever Mobile Wallet. First of all, you need to open up your App Store. Then type in the Klever Wallet for the search function. Click on the Klever Wallet and install it. After installation, click the Open function. Once the application loads up, you need to agree with the privacy policy. Click on the slider to agree, and the button that's down below. Click Continue. Welcome to the Klever app. Choose to create a new wallet. Set up a 6-digit PIN for your wallet. For the purpose of this video, I'll be choosing a simple selection, but make sure you choose a PIN that is 6 of the numbers that you will remember. Choose it again. It's very, very important that you back up your wallet with your seed phrase by writing down your 12 words that you see on your screen and store it somewhere safe. After you have written those 12 words, choose I've written it down. You have confirmed your backup by choosing the seed phrase in the same order that is shown on the Klever Wallet. Click Verify now. Never show your seed phrase to anyone. Choose OK, I got it. You have the option to secure your wallet even more by using a fingerprint sensor. Click Enable Biometric now if you wish to do so, or choose Skip if you don't want to do it. We are choosing to use the fingerprint sensor in this example. Touch the sensor and you are done. Congrats, your wallet is now set up. To add Tron to your wallet, scroll down to the TRX symbol that's shown on the screen. Click to receive and click the copy button. This is the address where you can now send Tron. Thank you for watching this video teaching you how to set up your TRONCASE Klever Wallet on your phone.